So here is my 110 CRF. I thought I'd do a bike check and let you know what I have on it and what's the future plans for it, and go from there. Not a lot is done to it right now. Pretty much the bare minimum stuff, but we'll have more stuff coming for it. I think I know how I want to build it up. Not completely sure yet, but well, we'll start with the Pro Taper big bars. And then I actually did the CRF125F throttle. Have the extended brake lever with the extended brake cable. Red billet tank bolt. I got a few titanium bolts on here left over from my 450, so I just put them where they could. I have the Mini Works black engine plug. With the P3 carbon heat guard. With the BBR +1 shifter. Great shifter, I'd recommend it. I had a Piranha +1 on there before. It went down, slid out once and it bent. And I've slid out a few times with this one and no issues. I have the Pro Circuit shift shaft, if I could get, so you can see it. It's kind of right there. And then I just barely put these on and I've been pretty pleased with them. The Flow Pro Series foot pegs, super grippy. The cleats on it are super aggressive. Definitely the best mini bike foot peg I've ever used. T-bolt front forks, what are 1.5 inches longer than the stock OEM forks, and already come with the stiffer springs and dampening rods. Definitely a great fork. Been happy with it so far.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
And then not too much going on the Kickstarter side. Oh, I also have the BBR chain slide. So the kind of direction I think I'm going to be going with it, I'm probably going to try to match my 450. Just the Works Edition. Just try to make this one look as identical to my 450 as I can. I'm going to end up doing the Kashima coated forks on this. The Yoshimura exhaust, probably use Moto whips. He blacks out the whole can, and probably I'll go with a polished head pipe for it. But want to do the Excel wheels on this, probably the MX53 Dunlop tires. Just like the 450, I got a Dirt Tricks sprocket. Want to get the same one for that with the titanium bolts. Do the Excel black wheels. The Yoshimura exhaust. Would like to strip it down and powder coat the whole frame black. I'm gonna do the super stock BBR swing arm black. Probably gonna do the head in the Fast Mini black or the BBR. Not sure yet. Gonna do the BBR skid plate. And yeah. Thought I'd do a little bike check on the 110. It's a 2020. I've had it since end of 2019 is when I got it. Great bike, definitely recommend it. Super fun. I have a 23 125F that it's completely stocked right now. I got some IMS foot pegs. Not too happy with those. I'm probably gonna do the black flows. Kind of thinking about blacking this whole thing out. Black plastic. I know they don't make it for it right now. Not sure yet. Super fun bike too. I can make another video about it, or a video about the Works Edition. Just let me know in the comments. Yeah. Thanks for watching.